Hi guys, welcome to Intermediate Speaking Week 5 online class. Today we will start studying Chapter 5. So last week we finished Unit 3. We will skip Chapter 4 and we will start studying Chapter 5 today. Okay, let's get started. I'll move my face to the small corner. And you can see this is your textbook. It is page 81. The title of the chapter is Risk and Reward. So already there is some new vocabulary that I'm not sure if you guys are knowing these words. So let's start with some new vocabulary before we start this chapter. We've got a PowerPoint to introduce some vocabulary. So risk and reward. The new vocabulary first is risk. What is risk? So risk is a noun and a verb. It means danger, dangerous, or something maybe is bad. So it's not safe. So a risk can be a dangerous thing, or to risk something means that maybe you will lose it, maybe something bad will happen. Do something that is a little dangerous. So it can be something dangerous, or it can be do something dangerous, a noun or a verb. And why do people take risks? Many people don't like bad things, right? So why do we do something dangerous? Well, sometimes you must take a risk if you want to get something. This is called a reward. A reward is something good, like maybe you win some money or you win a prize. So when you take a risk, like even just buy a lotto ticket. You buy a lotto ticket, it costs, 1,000 won or 5,000, and if you don't win, you spent your money, you gave the money, and you get nothing. If you don't win, you have something bad. You get nothing, and you gave some money for nothing. But maybe you will be very lucky, and you will win the prize lotto money. And then you will have, 백만원, and you will have so much money. So many people play lotto. They buy lotto tickets to try to win some money. So taking a risk isn't bad. Sometimes good things happen and you get the reward, but sometimes bad things happen. Okay, so our textbook talks a lot about risk and reward. It's the National Geographic textbook, so there is a lot of adventure vocabulary. Many people like to feel adventure, so they do take risks, and they have risky behavior because of the feeling of adventure. So, what is adventure? Adventure is doing something exciting, something new. It makes your feeling not bored, like, oh, wow. So having an adventure can be going to a new city or a new country, or it can be hiking, like the picture, climbing a mountain. Sitting on this rock is a little bit dangerous. If you fall down, you will be very hurt. But when you look around, you see so much beauty and you feel, wow, this is great. So it's kind of something that can be really fun or exciting and new, maybe a little bit dangerous. One kind of adventure is climb. So this is climb, rock climb or mountain climb. Climb means go up. So do you know a ladder? It looks like letter A, and people climb the ladder to touch something on the ceiling, maybe to hang the laundry or To hang up something on the wall, you must go up the ladder. So climb means go up. Difficult. I think this one is easy. Difficult is not easy, right? Difficult means hard, or you must work a lot to do this. Solve. Solve we use with problem. Solve a problem. So if there is some problem, what to do? What can I do? Oh, I know. There is no more problem. Then the problem is solved. I solved the problem. When there is no more problem, I solved the problem. Solve is verb. Solve means to make the problem go away. So there is no more problem. To fix the problem. Body. Body is our human self. Head, toes, arms, legs, stomach, all of it together is our body. Die. Don't be alive anymore. Your heart stops. So die is verb, and adjective is dead. So I will die if I jump out my window. Or the man will be dead if he jumps out the window. So adjective, the dead man. You don't say the die man. And you don't say he will dead. So be careful. The verb is die, and the adjective together with the noun is dead. So die is verb, not adjective. Dead is adjective, not verb. Okay? I will die if I eat poison. Then I will be a dead teacher. Okay? Then the teacher will be dead. Okay. Mind. This is like your brain. It goes with the idea of body. So your body is your head and arms and your brain. It's physical. But your mind is what are you thinking about? How is your personality? What is in your thinking? So mind doesn't mean your actual brain, but it means your thinking. What do you think about? So your mind can be peaceful. I feel so good, everything is good. Or your mind can be stressed. Like, I have so many tests and the online classes are so hard. My mind is stressed. So mind doesn't mean your brain, like the brain you can touch. It means what is going on inside of your head. What is going on in your thinking. Vote. So when we choose a president, we will say what do we want and give the secret information, so then the people will count what did everybody say. And this is called a vote. So maybe I will ask for a vote in our classroom, and I will say, okay students, who wants to have a quiz online, and who wants to have the quiz on the phone? And if you want your quiz online, raise your hand. Okay, 1 student, 2 students, 3 students, 4 students. Okay, who wants to have the quiz on the phone? Oh, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 students. So I will count who has more, and then I will choose the more students what they want. So it's a way to make a decision that gives every student some help, some power to choose. So I don't choose for everybody. You guys help to make the decision together. So this is a kind of way to have everybody help make a decision together. Okay, So, memory check. Can you remember? If you can't remember this vocabulary, then please watch the video again. This one's easy because you can see in the picture. Vote! Do something exciting. Adventure. Something dangerous. Maybe something bad will happen. Risk. You're thinking. Mind. Not easy. Difficult. Something good. Reward. Make the problem go away. Fix the problem. Solve. Solve the problem. Body. Go up. Climb. Don't be alive. Die. Okay, so in your textbook, there is also some information about ing and er. So we will talk about this a little bit later. Let's go to the textbook now and do some textbook work. The video looks like it's already 10 minutes, so I will stop the video here and we will have part 2 in the next video where we will do the textbook together. Okay, see you guys in part 2.